Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Kling AI text to images not working on iOS 18. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So for some reason this wasn't working for me as well. So to fix that on my phone, I just simply upgraded it to iOS 18.1. So just go to general, go to software update, and make sure your phone is updated to the 18.1.1. If it's not updated, it might cause issues on Kling AI and plethora of other applications. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is do a hard reset on your iPhone. So just press the volume up button and the power button, and then it will open up a lock screen kind of screen. Then just press on X, and this should hard reset your iPhone. And by doing all of these steps, your problem should be fixed. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. This is how I personally did it, and this should work for you as well. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.